Students, today I will discuss about some other celestial bodies of our solar system. First comes the dwarf planet. I have already discussed the sun and the 8 planets. Interested students can go through that video and get more detailed ideas. And today I will discuss the celestial bodies other than the 8 planets and the sun. And first comes the dwarf planet. What are dwarf planets? They are the tiny planets orbiting around the sun, and they are nearly of a round shape. They have definite orbit and they orbit around the sun, but they don't fulfill all the criteria to become a planet. That's why they are called as dwarf planet. And the idea of dwarf planet, the concept came into existence in 2006. Before 2006, Pluto was considered as a planet, and we had 9 planets in our solar system. But in 2006, the idea of dwarf planet was adopted, and Pluto was no longer a planet and become a dwarf planet. And some other dwarf planets are Ceres, Pluto, Makemake, and Eris. Then comes asteroids. What are asteroids? They are the rocky celestial bodies. They are also called as minor planets. They found between the Mars and the Jupiter, and its size varies from 100 km to size of a pebble. How did they form? How did the asteroids form? They are believed to be the remnants when the solar system was formed before 4.6 billion years ago, and they are airless bodies. They are rocky bodies. They have no air. These are the asteroids, and they are found between Mars and the Jupiter. Then comes comets. What are comets? They are basically the solid frozen nucleus, and their orbits are irregular. They orbit in an irregular path. Then sometimes they get closer to the sun, that is called perihelion, and sometimes they go away from the sun, that is called aphelion. When they get closer to the sun, the solid frozen nucleus vaporizes and it becomes a tail-like structure, and when they go away, they again condenses. And they generally the comets found in the Kuiper belt. The best known comet we know is Halley's comet, that appears in once in 76 years, and it was last seen in 1986. Then comes meteors. What are meteors? They are small pieces of rock. They move around the sun, and they are also called meteoroids. They sometimes enter into the atmosphere with a great speed. Why great speed? Because the gravitational pull of Earth, they enter into the atmosphere with a great speed, and while entering, due to the speed, they get burnt, and sometimes they are not fully burnt. That's why the remainings fall in the on the surface of Earth, and these are the meteors. Then comes the moon. What is moon? The satellite of Earth. Our satellite is moon. Earth has only one satellite, that is moon. Moon is at 8,84,401 km away from the Earth. It takes 27 days, 7 hours and 43 minutes to complete one rotation and revolution. One revolution of moon becomes 1 month in Earth, and it is the 5th largest natural satellite. Light needs only 1.25 seconds to reach from Earth from moon, and the moon has no light of its own. The sunlight from the sun when falls on moon, and its reflection falls on the Earth. That's why we can see the moon, but moon has no light of its own. Then the gravitational pull of moon is 1/6 of the Earth, and Apollo 11 is the first manned mission to moon from Earth. These are some other celestial bodies of our solar system, and in my next videos I will discuss details about our Earth. And that's all for today. Thank you.